Happy dinner time, folks.
We having a train.
It's dinner time, choo-choo time.
It's dinner time and there's a train coming right after our walk, folks.
It's going to be coming right around that corner in about 5 seconds.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Maybe 6 seconds. Here we
Here
go.
we go. That was 6 seconds.
Move. Get off the tracks.
Move, Dad. Why are you not moving?
You move out of the way, please. Because Daddy's going to move at the last second. Maybe a little sooner. I want to keep his lights in the shot. I can't see. And that's our dinner time choo-choo, folks. See you for our nighttime one. As always, take care now. Bye-bye then.